the total number of positive integer solutions such that 21 less than or equal to a plus b plus c less than or equal to 25 is. Meaning, I want the sum of a, b, and c must be equal to either 21 or 22 or 23 or 24 or 25. And a, b, c must be positive integers, which means natural numbers. So let me take the first case. A plus b plus c must be equal to 21. And remember, a, b, c must be natural numbers. Now, which means the minimum value of a, b, and c must be equal to 1. So let me satisfy that condition first. So I will replace a with a dash plus 1 and b with b dash plus 1 and c with c dash plus 1, which is equal to 21. Thereby, I get a dash plus b dash plus c dash is equal to 18. Now, since a, b, and c already have a minimum of 1, a dash, b dash, and c dash can take 0 as well, which means now it is one of those standard cases of finding the non-negative integer solutions for a dash plus b dash plus c dash is equal to 18. Or you can also talk about it from the point of theory of distribution as number of ways in which we can divide 18 into 3 parts, right? So the number of ways 18 can be divided into 3 groups such that some of them can be empty as well is 18 plus 3 minus 1, C 3 minus 1, which is equal to 20C2. Now 20C2 is 20 into 19 by 2, which is equal to 190. Now applying the similar logic to all the subsequent possibilities, meaning a plus b plus c is equal to 22. So if we follow the same process, we get a dash plus b dash plus c dash is equal to 19. So the number of ways of dividing 19 as sum of 3 numbers where some of them can be empty, or the non-negative integer solutions for a dash plus b dash plus c dash is equal to 19 is 21C2, which is 21 into 20 by 2, that is 210. Continuing the pattern, a plus b plus c is equal to 23. Number of non-negative integer solutions is 22C2. A plus b plus c is 24. Then number of non-negative integer solutions is 23C2. And a plus b plus c is equal to 25. Number of non-negative integer solutions is 24C. Now this will be equal to 22 into 21 by 2, which is 231. Similarly, this is 23 into 22 by 2, which is equal to now 11. 230 into 11, that is 230 plus 23, which is 253. And 24C2 is 24 into 23 by 2. 2 gets cancelled out 12 times in 24. So 12 into 23. Now 23 into 10 is 230 plus 46, which is 276. So the total number of solutions is a sum of all these values, which is equal to 1160. Let's look at the 11th question. The product of the roots of the given equation is what? Now, when you look at the given equation, it seems to be involving logarithms. Yes, no doubt about it. But if you observe carefully, it is similar to a quadratic equation. If we can replace the log with a certain variable, that will make it easy for us to understand the equation better and also find the roots faster. Hence, let me replace log x base 2 with something called k So if I substitute the same in the given equation, it will become log 2 power k square base 2 minus 5k plus 6 is equal to 0. Now log 2 power k square base 2 can be written as k square into log 2 base 2, which is equal to 1, minus 5k plus 6 equal to 0, which can be factorized as k minus 2 into k minus 3 equal to 0. Thereby, the value of k is equal to 2 or 3. Now, if we replace the value of k with log x base 2, it is equal to either 2 or 3. By definition of logarithm, I can say x is equal to 2 square or 2 cube. Hence, the roots are 4 or 8. And since I want the product of the roots, it is going to be 4 into 8, 32. Now, the appearance of logarithms might create a confusion or might give you a feeling that this is a difficult question. But if you look at it beyond that log, you will understand that it's a very simple problem based on quadratic equations. Now let's see question number 12. It is given to us that f of 1 is equal to 1, and for all values more than 1, f of n is defined as 3n minus f of n minus 1. And we are to find the value of f of 2023. I am sure all of us agree that in an exam, it's impractical for us to find all values from f of 1 to f of 2023, which means in all such problems, the idea is to identify the pattern that is followed by all the values, which we use to find the value of f of 2023 easy. So in order to identify the pattern, let me calculate the first few initial values. Now we know f of 1 is equal to 1. By definition, f of 2 will be 3 into 2 minus f of 1, which is equal to 6 minus 1, 5. Now f of 3 is equal to 3 into 3 minus f of 2, that is 9 minus 5, 4. F of 4 is 3 into 4 minus f of 3, 12 minus 4, 8. Let's take a couple of more values. F of 5 is 3 into 5 minus f of 4, so 15 minus 8, 7. And f of 6 is 3 into 6 minus f of 5, which is 18 minus 7, 11. Let us take a pause here and see if we can identify a pattern with the values we have at hand. Now, 1 followed by 5, 4, 8, 7, 11. Now, if you observe, or if you are familiar with the concept of alternate series from number series topic, then you will understand that this is a similar case. An alternate series is nothing but a series of numbers where each set of alternate numbers form a separate series. Let me show you what I mean by it. Now, if you look at the first set of alternate numbers, that is the first number, the third number, the fifth number, 1, 4, 7, so on. As you can see, it is a sequence and it is an arithmetic progression, in fact, with a common difference of 3. Now, if you look at the second set of alternate series, that is 5, 8, 11, so on, which is another arithmetic progression with a common difference of 3. Now, since we are to find f of 2023, which indeed is an odd number, it will be a part of the first alternate series. But which term will it be? Because here I see in this separate series 1, 4, 7 are the first, second, third values. but in actual series, they are first, third, and fifth. Easier way to find out is in the first 2022 numbers, we will have 1011 numbers in the first series and 1011 numbers in the second series. Hence, f of 2023 will be the 1012th term in the series of 147, so on. Now, in order to find the 1012th term easily, let me give a general form for each term. I can say the series of 147, etc. Each term can be represented as 3n minus 2, where n is a natural number, right? So if I want the value of 1012th term, then it will be 3 into 1012 minus 2, which is equal to 3034. Hence, f of 2023 is equal to 3034.